Do you know what it took to build a bridge across the most treacherous strait in the world? We found the two best views on the north side, Battery Spencer for that legendary close-up, and Slacker Hill, 900 feet up, for the ultimate scale. Opened in 1937, this bridge survives 60-mile-per-hour winds and crushing currents daily. Its international orange cables contain 80,000 miles of wire, enough to circle the Earth 3 times. Because of the sun, the structure actually breathes, rising and falling several feet throughout the day. If you want these views to yourself, go on a Tuesday at 9:30 a.m. like we did. But a major warning, the parking lots at both spots are high target zones for smash and grabs. Do not leave a single thing in your car. No bags, no jackets, nothing. If it's visible, it's a target. Drones are strictly illegal in this national park, but we found a loophole. To get these Hoover Air shots legally, we used an Insta360 on an extended invisible selfie stick. It gives you that perfect drone perspective while staying completely grounded. Like and subscribe for our upcoming trip. This is ONT Journey.
I'm just so glad we finally found this place. Setting our own rhythm, keeping our own pace. Now we're hiking up high where the air is sweet. The world is quiet right beneath our feet. On 2 wheels flying down the canyon side. I've got my soul made for the whole damn ride. It's finally true. I'm a better person just for being with you. We climbed the steep hills and felt the gears grind, leaving the arguments in the